Hello guys, it's PewDiePie here. Not really, but okay. So, Elite Spirits here. You can see stop first, and we check him. I have reinforced, and then I go back and I check. Is hitting now, and I will go back to him. The hit is coming, and he survived, so I will remove instantly, and then I check the next one, Spartaku here. Yeah, he's reinforced, so that's okay. And then I go to the next, to go to Leo and check him. He's reinforced. I go to the next, that's Rebator something. Check, he's reinforced. So then I go to the next one, which will be Boogeyman, and I can drag right from the picture of Syndra. From on the top there, you see she's marching back to my castle right now in 45 seconds. But if I drag from the picture, I can drag him onto Boogeyman, which means I now have reinforced all the coming. So we have Spartaku again. In the meanwhile, is attacked by some normals, I think. Yeah, he's getting his elite wave in 40 seconds, so I'll be ready for that to take out my reinforcements. See that normal dude over there hitting? But we're strong. So my strong boy here will be removed in a few seconds. So that's him, and next up is Leo, as I showed before. He has my Erica there. And we go to the next, which is this guy, and he's well reinforced by all of us. And again, we check and we can see that after him it will be Boogeyman, which we now are reinforcing because I moved. And we should now have Spartaku is done. So we go inside, pick it out, and then we go to Bandana, of course. Habibti needs some reinforcement because I'm using 4 troops here. I have 1 troop inside my castle, just as normal, to take hits from, you see there is red line, just protect myself from the normal. And I use the rest, which will be 4 for me. If you have 3 troops, you can only move around with 2 troops until you die. Then you can use your castle troop to also move. So Bandana will be hit in 3 minutes, and I'm gonna reinforce her. See, I have 1 minute of marching towards her, so I'll make it. And we will now have to be wary about the Spirit King. He's gonna hit in 8 minutes, so we don't need to reinforce that yet. We can still save pretty much all of these guys before we need to move to the fortress to reinforce for him. So that's pretty much it. Now we have to check. We have to remember stuff, which I'm bad at. So Boogeyman is getting hit, Bandana's next. So now we need to reinforce Bandana, Samurai, Redux, and Sir Drink-A-Lot. So if we check, we have this guy going into Bandana, and this is Boogeyman. He was just hit, so we can remove that. And also this guy is already hit, so I'm removing him. And also Leo is hit, so remove him. And then we go back to the war page. Bandana is the next one getting hit, but we need to go the list up from up to down. Start with Samurai. Then we go to Redux. And we take... I have to remember which troop I'm sending where. So that's Erica, and then we take Sir Drink-A-Lot. And since my troop managed to run back, I simply take it from the castle and send it out. So now we move and we move and we never stop. We chase the elites and we get a lot of points. So if we go to the spirit page here, you can claim this shit to clear it out. You can see my personal points are a lot higher than I can claim for. So if we would have better alliance points, I would be able to, at this time, collect all the way up here, because I have over 700,000. We'll see the total after, but I am maxed out on personal points. We need to increase our alliance points so I can claim more. That's pretty much it, I think. Just keep track. On the top of it, these guys, if they die, they die. We don't get enough points to try to save everyone. We get the most points from going for this. So, back at it. Now Bandana is safe. She's already been protected. We go back. We have 1, 2, 3. This guy needs a guy. And so, yeah, that's pretty much it. Just keep track of where your troops are, which to protect next, and you'll be Gucci. That's good. Bye.